Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everyone. We are excited to be here today to present our capstone project for the Bangkit Academy 2024. We are from C241 PS350. Today we will present about capstone project at DEMS Grand Avo. Title of the project, Nutrient Level Detection Application for Avocado. Next. Okay, first, let me introduce our team. My name is Doranisa Fadila as Machine Learning Cohort, Kevin Alessandro and Ahmad Yudhistira as Machine Learning Cohort 2, Franciscus Aurelio Hamdani and Dodi Dores as Google Computing Cohort, Yoko Geri and Indana Sofia as Mobile Development Cohort. Next. So here's our agenda topics, and I will start by background about our capstone project. Next, Gary, our recent and exciting result. After that, Kevin, Franciscus, and Indana Sofia, implementation about machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development. And then Gary, our result and documentation. And then Dodi, Dores, local deployment. Okay, now let's jump into the first part about background. Economic analysis and feasibility study of avocado farming of 2020 study has evaluated the economic aspect of avocado farming in Indonesia, including cost-benefit analysis, market potential, and challenges faced by farmers. The 2019 characterization of nutrition, content, and quality of local avocado varieties in Indonesia, it discusses the variation in nutrient level across region and cultivars and provides valuable insight into the quality assessment of local avocado. Next. Next. Okay, Green Avo is mobile application that allows farmers to reach a wider range of crops and provides information to users regarding avocado type, avocado recipe, recommendation, and ripeness detection. Next, Gary will explain our reason.
Okay, all right, thank you. Why do you need an app to detect avocado nutrient level? So we aim to enhance the earning and welfare of farmers in Indonesia, while also providing useful feature and information, and also to encourage people to detection and consume avocado fruit, particularly taken by local farmer. So avocado habit in this session don't detection feature, but will uh, Green Apple app. This is a feature donate detection feature. The secondly, avocado type for avocado habit app, which do not have feature, while the Green Apple app can provide avocado type, help the user understand the variation and nutrition and each type of avocado. There, benefit of avocado is for the avocado habit app, which do not provide information about the health benefit of avocado, while the Green Apple app can provide in the depth information about the health benefit of consuming avocado. So number four, avocado description for the avocado habit app, which do not provide a detailed description of avocado, while the Green Apple app can provide a complete description of avocado, including source of fat, fiber, and nutrition content. And finally, for the avocado habit, which do not order recipe recommendation, while the Green Apple app can provide recipe suggestion based on the refineness of the avocado, helping user maximize its user cooking. So
Okay, and then for the implementation, we will discuss three main things, such as machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development. For the machine learning, we use several tools, such as Python, TensorFlow, and GitHub. Next. And then for the dataset, we use image of avocados in various stage of ripeness, which are classified into 5 categories. These data are stored in our GreenAvo GitHub and will be accessed using Python when building the machine learning model. For the architecture, we use MobileNet V3 Large, which is a highly efficient CNN designed for mobile and edge device, which making it ideal for real-time applications like image classification and object detection. For the trend and accuracy, from the dataset that comprise of 40,000 image at 5 different ripeness levels, we divided into 11,000 for training, 2,000 for validation, and 1,400 for testing. After training for 50 epochs, we achieve a validation accuracy of 77% and validation loss of 60%. And then after we obtain the best model, we convert it into TensorFlow-lite format. This flat model will be integrated into the GreenAvo mobile app for further implementation. And here is the result of the model, which we implement the TensorFlow-lite model into the mobile app.
Okay, from the cloud computing, we use two tools. The first is Google Cloud Platform, and the second is Firebase. So this is the Google Cloud Computing GCP architecture. Okay, the first from Cloud Run, go to Firebase authentication and Cloud Firestore, and the last is Cloud Storage for Firebase. So data in Firebase authentication and cloud storage has been saved in Cloud Firestore, and the last from Cloud Run can go to client and client to Cloud Run. Okay, the first is Firebase. Firebase is a service from Google to provide convenience and even make it easier for application developers to develop their application. Firebase, aka Backend as a Service, is a solution offered by Google to speed up developer work. In this project, the cloud computing service used is Firebase. In Firebase, we use three services. The first is Firebase authentication, the second Firestore database, and the third is cloud storage. Firebase authentication. Firebase authentication on is on the Firebase authentication service, we use this service for our registration and login page, where when a user register on your application, all data such as email, cell phone number, and password we will save into Firebase authentication. So when the user log in again, the user simply enters the email and password that was previously created on the registration page. Next is Firestore database. In the Firestore database service, we use this service to store several objects, such as types of avocado, recommendation, and also avocado receipt. So after that user detect an avocado, the fruit data will be entered into a database where the result or history data can be accessed again by the user. And the last is cloud storage. We also use cloud storage service, where the service is useful for storing profile picture and picture of avocado, which will later be used to predict the ripeness of the fruit.
Okay, here I will explain the module development. Previously, when the module development, we use the Kotlin programming for the programming language and the language was Android Studio. Next, we use XML to implement or take the user interface and also utility for additional libraries, namely the text image view and our image view to change the default image state. The device text view to add the assembly and upload to provider image setting or setting content. Next. We use Firebase to connect the database from code computing and also utility additional libraries, namely authentication, Firebase, and storage. Next. Adalah for the implementation of the machine learning model, we use the TensorFlow and libraries allows embedding machine learning model into Android application. Okay, thank you. That I can explain everything to the model.
Alright, now for the result, as can I see, it consists of feature, namely next. The authentication feature, which can have two page, login page and register page. If you don't have account, you can register an account via the register page. After that, if you have, you can log in using an existing account. Next. So there is also a menu feature consisting of their page, namely home, camera, and profile. After login in menu, feature display will appear for the home page consisting of type of avocado and recipe. Then the camera page to enter various photo or image file before saying the result of the detection condition. And finally, the profile page contains a photo, name, telephone number, and address. So there is also the time feature consisting of two pages, namely type of avocado and recipe is. I can see virus description, type of avocado have health benefit, while the recipe the ingredient and also how to make it. Then the profile picture can be changed on the edit page. You can change this like photos, name, telephone number of or address. If they are operate, then you can save them. So after scanning the image, it will display the result in the form of the label and score like this. We have saved the detection result. It will be saved to detection history page. And finally, the recommendation feature can see a list of food ordering, To make recommendation, if you press this icon button, the data will be saved so that when you open Papori page, it will automatically enter the previous list. And the documentation also lists the team member for each component and link to the project GitHub repository. So what has been said, we return to Dodi.
Project milestone. On July, developed the initial machine learning model for avocado paints detection. Began design the mobile apps UI. On August, test and refine the machine learning model. Develop core app functional and set up Firebase for user authentication and data science. On September, integrate the machine learning model with Firebase, launch the beta version, and gather user feedback. On October, conduct user testing and collect feedback and the app's performance. Engage with local avocado business for additional insight. On November, change the app and machine learning model based on the beta feedback. Conduct thorough testing and add new features to improve readiness detection. On December, general release of Green Apple app. Local deployment timeline. On July, develop the initial machine learning model for avocado repent detection. Begin designing the mobile apps UI. On August, test and refine the machine learning model. Develop care app function and set up Firebase for user authentication and data science. On September, integrate the machine learning model with Firebase, launch the beta version, and gather user feedback. On October, conduct user testing and collect feedback on the app's performance. Engage with local avocado business for additional insight. November, change the app and machine learning model based on beta feedback. Conduct through testing and add new to improve revenge detection. On December, general release of Green App. For budgeting, app development, cloud storage, use Firebase, application operation and maintenance, documentation, printing and photocopying, human resource and other tools. For research, dataset, Firebase service, EDI development, project manager, document proposal, potential partner, project manager, user feedback tools, Firebase backend service, user analytic tools, document or proposal, marketing team, consultant or specialist, research and survey tools, user feedback analytic and bug reports, developer, UIX designer, project manager, developer marketing, budgeting, marketing team, consultant or specialist.
Okay, that's all for our team. Thank you for attention and time in listening to our presentation about Green Apple. We are excited about its potential to help consumers choose avocados at the perfect ripeness. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.